The moral misanthrope.
All right, I am back again, for real. This is, I don't need to preface this video. You read the title. You know who it is. All that's left now at this point is just confession time. Yes, I love Lady Gaga, and I kind of have developed a slight affinity for Ariana Grande. Probably more so than I care to admit, but Lady Gaga I've been deep into for, a good decade. I don't know what else to say about that. So, what we're going to do is, I'm going to burp, which I just did. I'm going to get hydrated off this fucking dank ass smart water. God, that's good water. And we're gonna jump into this. It's Lady Gaga, Ariana Grande, Rain on Me. And I'm not gonna forget my fucking headphones this time. Speaker volume down. Here we go. Lady Gaga, Ariana Grande, Rain on Me. Okay. All right.
This year, I'm buying
some. Oh, you motherfucker.
It's gonna freak out. Stop messing up my party. It's gonna be nuts.
Jesus
when you mess with us,
Christ.
it happens.
Why?
I didn't ask for a free ride.
Oh.
I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least to show
who stabbed her in the leg? Oh, it's raining knives. Daggers. Dagger gang. How's she moving with that dagger in her fucking leg? Okay, so already I love this. Her voice is just and the wardrobe, the costume, the aesthetic, okay. It's Lady Gaga. And the raining daggers, that was cool because Dagger Gang and or Dagger Cult is a cult. That's me tapping on my water bottle. Yeah, this is off to a tremendous start. She looks fierce as ever. And I don't understand how she's able to move like that with a dagger stuck in her leg, but it's Lady Gaga. She never ceases to amaze me. Hotel. Okay, they both look great. They both look fantastic, and I don't even lost count on how many different costumes, wardrobe, whatever you want to say. It's like there's been so many changes. They've been wearing so many different things. It's hard to keep up. But both of them look incredible. Both of them sound incredible. And the choreography, I am here for it. I am loving all of the choreography to this. Like, I want to learn all of this to this video, and I want to do this dance while I listen to this song.
Hands up to the sky. I'll be your galaxy. I'm about to fly. Rain on me, tsunami. Hands up to the sky. I'll be your galaxy. I'm about to fly. Rain on me.
Oh, they're so cute. So yeah, the whole over-the-top aesthetics of that video, just, you know, with all the wardrobes and whatnot of both them and the dancers, and just everything about that video is super well produced. I enjoyed the shit out of it. I love that song. Like, that song is, what is it they say? It's a bop. Yeah. I would jam that in my car. I would stop at intersections, and I would turn that song up really loud with the windows down, my sunglasses on, and I would look at everyone around me, and I'd just be into it. I might even throw the arm up. It's a good song. And it's Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. Like, what, that? Okay. I don't know what the fuck else to say. Fuck me. I'm gonna go. I have a merch store, and I have badass designs in there. I don't know if anybody even cares, but it's fucking cool. And, you know, it's like, go check it out. You know, I mean, even if you're not interested in, like, getting anything cool, you know, you might not care about looking cool or having cool t-shirts or whatever. You know, that's fine. I understand, you know, economy. But, you know, just go look at this stuff. Humor me. The link is in the description. And, yeah. That's about all I've got. Oh, yeah, Slaughter to Prevail is coming. I saw several requests for that. I've gotten several messages for that. I'm going to do that. I don't know whether to be excited or to be nervous. I don't know, but regardless, I'm going to react to it sometime in the next couple of days. So you have that to be looking forward to. And in the meantime, I'm going to go because I don't have a good reason. Good people, the interweb.